Good morning. Just as this pebble was thrown into the water and you see the ripple effect, every decision you make has a positive or negative ripple effect that can affect not just you, but your family, the community, and the world. So the purpose of this presentation is to share with you or give you an understanding of the value of good decision making and so that you can begin to make a better decisions that will affect not just you and your family, but your community and the world. We all have to make decisions. And so what decision will you make? You're here because you have to decide if you're going to make the decision to stay out of jail, to decide if you're going to keep your children. And so I want to be of support to you. So we make decisions every day. What we're going to wear, what we're going to eat. We go to a mall, whatever decisions that we make. But there are some people that have to make hard decisions. Like, do I leave my child at home while I go and interview for the job to take care of my child? Or do I stay in this abusive relationship because he's the sole provider for me? And so what I want to do is share with you two types of decisions. And there are two types of decisions. There are poor decisions and then there are good decisions. Poor decision is that an individual is upset with their life, they're really angry and they decide to go out and go get drunk. And then as a result of that, he gets in the car and he's driving, weaving in and out of traffic, and he kills someone instantaneously. Is just his life or the other person's life affected? No, it affects the entire community. How does that affect the community? It affects their family and affects their family, their extended family. It also affects their job. It also affects the society. And how does it affect society? Society now has to pay taxes to keep this individual, increase in taxes to keep this individual in prison, possibly for the next 20 years. Now, let's give an example of good decision making and the effect. So an individual was hired, he lived in Wisconsin, he was hired by the University of Chicago to teach a class on astrophysics. Now he lives 80 miles away, one way. And so the university had expected him to cancel because only 2 students signed up for the class. So he had a lot of obstacles, weather conditions, distance, the university expectations, and it was only 2 students. He insisted that he teach the class because he really enjoyed what he did. And as a result of that, not one, but both of his students were awarded the Nobel Prize in physics. Now, how does that affect the world? Well, this right here, this award is not just the United States. This is worldwide. And a worldwide event that is only given to a small percentage of individuals in a specific category. And so this just not affected them, but it affected the university and it affected even their families. So how do we make better decisions so that we can affect our world positively? We need to be supportive parents. We need to go to the schools, talk to the teachers, be supportive in their classrooms. We also need to let them know that education is important. We need to also be supportive at home. We need to show them how to bake a cake, show them how to write their bills out and go shopping. Then give them those responsibilities. My mom, when I was 15 years old, took me shopping, taught me how to shop, and then gave me $600 in food stamps because we were poor. Gave me $600 in food stamps, and I had to shop for my entire family. She instilled in me a lot: trust, integrity, honesty, responsibility. And so what I want you to do is that you need to make a decision today to make better decisions. As Stephen Covey says, I am not a product of my circumstances. I am a product of my decisions. Choose wisely. Thank you.